Hey everybody on YouTube, Pinchy Al here, and I'm getting ready to actually build the 12 valve VR head today. We're going to be doing the valves tonight. Tomorrow we're going to build the block if I have enough time. If not, we're going to probably do it on a Wednesday or a Thursday if I can't make it tomorrow. But for sure the valves are going in tonight on a 12 valve VR head. Once that's done, we're going to get ready building the bottom end of the block, mate the two together. Then do everything on the exterior and get ready to finish it up. We got to give a big thanks to Luis, one of our Patreon members, because this is actually his engine that I'm building for him. Again, thank you, Luis. And if you're not a Patreon member, I definitely recommend getting on Patreon because we're going live tonight at 9 p.m. on my Patreon page. It's the only way you guys can get the exclusive content for VR6 builds. About a week and a half later, after we're done with sharing it with Patreon members, this video will go back on normal YouTube, and that's it. That's how we do it here at Pinchy Al's Garage. So thank you, and I'll see you guys tonight at 9 p.m. Pacific time.